Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on online shopping with eBay, beginner guide step by step clearly. To save on online shopping with eBay, start by setting up an eBay account. Visit eBay's homepage and click on the register button. Fill in the required information, like your email address and a password. Once your account is created, verify your email if prompted. Next, search for the items you need using the search bar. Use specific keywords to narrow down your results. Filter your search by categories and price ranges. Consider browsing for used or refurbished items, as they often have a lower price. Check the auction listings for opportunities to bid on items. Set a budget for how much you're willing to spend on each item. To avoid overspending, use the Buy It Now option for instant purchases. Look for items with free shipping, as this can increase overall savings. Examine seller ratings and reviews for assurance of quality. Filter search results to show only sellers located near you for quicker shipping. Utilize eBay's best offer feature to negotiate prices on listings. If you're looking for even more deals, consider joining eBay's newsletter. Keep an eye out for seasonal sales and special promotions on eBay. Check eBay's daily deals section for discounts on popular items. Incorporate eBay gift cards into your shopping to save more. Track your purchases to help you stick to your budget. Finally, review your cart before completing the transaction to ensure you're satisfied with everything. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.